everyone, it's me, James Fisher, and today I have a very special guest with me.
Name's Ray. I think I've appeared in one of her videos before, so here I am.
Yes, and I'm at her house today. Yes! We were initially gonna go hiking, but then it started raining in the morning, so here we are having a stay-at-home day, because I was worried it wouldn't be stimulating enough. I got these paintings, paint by numbers, because I only know how to paint within the lines. I don't actually know how to draw properly.
They have like different designs. Like the one I'm holding has this like moon design thingy. Like there's a crescent moon and some flowers.
And then this is also similar to that. 3 sets of Lego flowers, but it's the knockoff of Lego.
Knockoff of Lego?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll arrange it. Yeah, I'll just pick one.
Okay.
Oh. Oh dear. Alright, wait, 1, 2, oh. I'm gonna go with this.
Okay.
Got the purple one.
Yeah. Okay, I'll close my eyes.
I don't think I'm rearranging it, I'm just like stirring it on the floor. But
Okay.
oops.
Okay. This one?
Alright.
Yeah. We got the rose.
We had just started to build our block flowers, but we were beginning to get hungry, so we decided to get some lunch and we'll get back to it.
Stay tuned.
Okay, so we're gonna get snacks and food, like a full meal. Appetizer, entree.
And a dessert.
Yes, and a snack.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and a snack, yeah. So we have 4 things.
Getting fat today.
Yes. First up for the snacks, because we're in the snack section. Yeah, okay. Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone. Okay, you win.
This is so bad because like I really suck at decision making.
Same. This is gonna help
Sour
us.
cream and onion.
Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. Yeah, we got our snack in the bag. Our selection of food. And now we're gonna scissors, paper, stone for the main meal. Okay.
I'm pretty hungry, so let's see.
Scissors, paper, stone. I got it. Yes.
For once in our life, making a decision.
Very difficult.
5 minutes later.
Okay, we can get mac and cheese, and then add in like some other flavors. Kimchi fried rice, I think.
Alright.
So we get like 2 different variations that we can mix and match.
Can just share around.
Yeah. Okay. Same selection. This time appetizer.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope I don't win this. Scissors, paper, stone.
So I'm doing appetizers?
Yes, appetizer.
How about we do this?
Okay. Yeah.
One for each of us.
Yeah. Chicken hot wings. Yeah. Okay, now for dessert. Scissors, paper, stone. Okay, you win.
Oh, wow.
3 out
Of course. Of course, they give me the other things to do. Wow.
A lot of options. 2 indecisive people trying to decide.
This looks interesting. Let's get this.
Ooh, custard cream puff.
Double layer custard cream puff.
Nice.
Whatever that means.
This is our selection from 7-Eleven. Yeah.
Now time to go and pay.
Yes. Okay, now we're at a local place, Mama Shop.
You can see like the more chocolate stuff.
Oh yeah. I've just always seen it around.
Yeah, local snacks like the Apollo. Yeah. Flakes.
Yeah, I think this is more of the childhood snacks. I remember I used to eat this,
I've actually never eaten it.
like candy. It's very chalky. Lipstick.
Lipstick candy.
So interesting. Go get. See?
Alright. You guys are trying this?
This is like a staple.
You get to pick it up because like you lost like all the scissors, paper, stone stuff just now.
It's okay. You can each choose.
So there's like the how do you open this?
Yep.
So it's the oh this one is nice.
Yeah.
Then there's the red
Red
bean
bean.
potong. This is coffee. Oh, this is apple. This is Oreo. And some more potong ice cream. And there's this weird cup.
This looks interesting.
Yeah, it's not really branded, but it says it's a sundae.
Hmm.
And then there's the Milo ice cream at the bottom. And then over here, of course we are going to ignore this.
Yeah.
Oh, I've eaten this before.
Is
It's
it
not
good?
bad. It's interesting.
Mm.
Yeah, and then this one is also the Oreo but on a stick. Yeah, it's Kit Kat. Yeah.
Oh, and then they have the regular vanilla stuff.
Like the Cornetto whip
Yeah,
waffle.
cornetto, a staple.
Yeah.
So which one do you want to try?
I'm not sure. What are you think you're trying?
I think we've tried most of these, right?
I've never tried the Kit Kat before actually. Or the Cornetto whip waffles. Or the Oreos. Yeah.
Do you
This
want
one is like a biscuit. It's like a you just bite it like that.
to try any of those that you mentioned?
Decisions.
Decisions.
Let's see what's this. So many decisions to make. Do you know what's the price? Oh goodness, they're so expensive.
Do you want to get a sundae?
Lol. I think I might get the Oreo one. Right.
Okay.
Mine. How about yours?
Yes. I think I will also try the Oreo with you.
Okay.
Yeah. For continuity. Continuity. For continuity. Sorry.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank
now
you.
let's go pay.
Secure the goods. Yeah. And I have one more plastic bag here. Walking back.
Starving.
Starving.
I'm starving.
Hungry. We got curry puffs too because I don't think I got enough mains for us.
No, I just fat.
This is our cheat day. Let us live a little. We have the chicken.
Mac and cheese is 2 minutes 30.
2 minutes 30.
I think you
and-
can just heat 2 minutes 30 together.
Yeah. Save time. Wow. All our food. It's a huge selection. We're gonna share all of this. Whee!
It's quite a mixture of like cuisines. We have the East Asian cuisine, Korean, then we have Western cuisine. This is a Western. This is like a fusion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. Ooh.
We ran out of time to paint, but these are our completed flowers.
Traditional mooncake. Ooh. Wow, it's heavy duty. I'm gonna try the mooncake that Ray-Ann gave me. See how it tastes. Cut a piece, because I'm not gonna eat the whole mooncake. It's really good. It's been a while since I had a mooncake. This is really good. This is a 10 out of 10. Thank you so much, Rayan, for the mooncakes. I really like them. I'm sure my family would like them too. We have to bend down. The angle is so